Well, hello everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you about an exercise that we use in drumming called accent tap. So in drumming we have dynamics, and dynamics are the level or the volume at which we play in music. So we can't always be screaming loud, sometimes we have to be soft and subtle. So for the easiest approach for a drummer, we'd like to think of accents, meaning beats that are typically the sticks are higher, we have good wrist rotation, and that's an accent, whereas a tap is going to be lower. Okay, so a great exercise is to take your 8 on a hand exercise, and what we're going to do is we're going to do 8 accents on our right hand, and then we're going to do 8 accent and taps, so we're alternating. And then we're going to go to our left hand, 8 accents and then 8 accent taps. And then I'm going to repeat it, so let's go ahead and watch this. Here's the accent tap, accent tap, accent tap. And I like to say this out loud. Here we go, and accent tap, accent tap, accent tap, accent tap, and stop. So at that point I could continue on, I could repeat it, I could reverse it, I could completely change the exercise, but that's just a good way to get those 2 stick heights down. However you want to practice that, and it's all about stick control, okay? And that's our accent tap.